So for this video, we're going to be taking a rudiment and building it into a groove or a fill. For this one, I'm using a double paradiddle. So that is right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. And I'm only using the first half of it. So 6 notes there. The last two, the double right, I'm going to be putting onto the kick drum. And we need to phrase it as a sextuplet, as the 6 notes. Okay. Now, I'm also going to move the first right hand to the hi-hat. Okay. And I'm now going to add a bass drum with that hi-hat. And that is our first beat of the bar, moving into the second beat. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final touch we're going to add is these 3 snares in here. We're going to make them ghosted notes. And that's just going to give us a dynamic range to our groove as well. So when we speed it up, the sextuplet really comes to life. The next thing we're going to do is move it around the kick to make a fill. So we're not going to use the hi-hat first, it could be one of the toms or even the snare first. So and you'll also notice I'm not playing the kick drum on the first right hand anymore. In the drum beat we went, so I'm taking the bass drum off the first note, and the reason being we're going to play these one after another. So if you had 2 bass drums on the end and then starting with one, you've got to play 3, and on a single kick it'll be near impossible with the speeds we're going to get up to. A double kick you could do it, but I'm leaving it out because I'm working with a single kick here. So and the final touch, again with dynamics, is something I always encourage with sextuplets, is to just lift the 4th note up in volume. Just gives it a bit more shape, a bit more character about it. So let's put them together, a beat and a fill. To give that a try, you could even maybe use a different rudiment. Take a section of it, see how you can build it into your own groove. What I liked about this one is it's almost a fill within the groove, and it's happening in the first beat. We normally expect it at the end of a bar. So try and be a bit different with it and see what different results you can come up with.